I got this Hayter Hawk. I bought it off a guy for £25, and I've bought non-working mowers before, broken ones for up to £20. This one started, and I know these hold their value, so 25 quid for this I thought was good. If I could get this going, working nicely, I'll probably get about £60. Straight away I noticed a few problems. On the carburetor there's a cable tie holding this back, which probably means there's a spring gone, or the spring's stretched. And I've got spare parts so I could replace that. And I know there's a lot of crap in the fuel tank, so that needs cleaning out. The air filter, a typical problem when getting second-hand mowers. People tilt it the wrong way, so all the oil go back into the carburetor and the air filter, and they wonder why it don't work. I can smell it already. It's there, covered in oil. Yeah, look at that. So what I'll probably do with this, I could get a new one, but to save myself money, I'll just soak it in petrol for a couple of minutes, and that'll get the majority of the crap out. You don't want to keep soaking them in petrol because it damages the filter, but this time I'm going to do it. Yeah, caked in oil. I don't really know why this is set back like this. I don't know why it's got a cable tie on it, because this bit here is meant to be up there. I don't know if the camera can pick up. There's a spring there which is meant to go across here. The spring might be stretched, so I'll look at that. I'll go repaint this. As you can see, really rusty. A good sand down with a stiff wire brush. That'll bring that out nicely, and then respray. Here you've got the exhaust. You can see it's really rusty. For one thing, it don't look good, and another, I don't know how bad it is inside. I've got a new one of these, so I'll replace that and give everything a good clean. I've checked the spark plug seems okay, but once I've done everything else, I clean the spark plug, take the blade off, sharpen the blade, and see if I get it going. So here I've got some old petrol. As I say, I wouldn't advise to do this all the time, but just when you first pick up the mower and it's really bad, it's a good quick way to clean them up. Right, you just squeeze it down there. Don't need to leave it in there too long, just a minute. Leave it to soak for a bit. Right, it's only been a couple of minutes. Still didn't get rid of these dark marks. You can buy some proper air filter cleaner or carb spray. It's cleaned it up a lot, as you see. Got a lot of dirt out of it. You can leave it for, you can leave it overnight to really soak, and that'll probably get a bit more out. But I think that's going to be good enough. Here's some parts from another mower that I stripped down. I've made a video of. I'll put the link up above for you. It's from a different model mower, but the same engine, a Briggs and Stratton engine, and I think it was a sovereign mower. But as you see here, they use the same tank and same carburetor, and as the Hayter didn't come with a heat shield on the exhaust, I'm going to see if this one fit. Looks like it might fit on this one. Obviously I put a bolt through there. I think I could get one through there. It's a nice little gap there, nothing catching up. And what I had to do is take this nut off and put that on there and put it back on. So I think that'd be good. Right, this is the exhaust I've taken off the other mower, the Sovereign, and as you can see it's the same as that one, but this one's better condition, so I'll give that a swap. For one thing, it looks better, which make it easier to sell, giving you a bit more chance of getting a bit more money. Here I've done, as you can see, painted the top just to make it a little bit pretty, cleaned the air filter, cleaned the fuel tank out. I only sprayed the carburetor with the carb cleaner, gave the plug a quick wipe off, put a new heat shield on, don't want to burn yourself, gave all the cables and things a grease up, and let's see if this thing runs.